Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and if you're a cricketer, you can't help but notice there has been a few updates in Cricut Design space. Now, I'm not going to talk about all the backflipping of the uploads and all that jazz. We're going to focus today's video on the new functionality of collections, and I think this is going to be super great. As someone that absolutely loves organizing and folders, that kind of stuff, this is going to be great for us. So I'm just going to quickly talk you through how to use collections and some quick tips. You've seen here I've just created a very quick project, just a bit of font that says hello, and when I go to save it, it gives me an option of collections, as you can see. Now I am saving a brand new collection called Fonts and Text, so I'm just going to create that, and you'll see it does auto select that collection now for my project, and I can give it a title, and when that saves, it's going to save it straight into the project. So going forward, it's going to be super easy. You're just going to choose the collection you want to save it in. But of course, this is a new feature, and a lot of us have had Cricut for a while. You can see I've got 74 projects that I've still got in my Cricut Design space. And you can see here, as I'm clicking on this particular collection we've just created, Fonts and Text, when you highlight it, you can delete that collection by using that little trash can icon. You'll notice it does have that black line against it as well, so at any point when you're in this space, you'll be able to see which view you're in. So whether you're in a specific collection, or as I'm highlighting now, when I click on all my projects, it takes me back to my top hierarchy of all my projects. So my 74 projects stay there, they don't disappear, they're all in one spot at the top. We've just kind of got subcategories below where we can put them in folders, if you like, in collections. So you can see here now what I'm doing, I'm actually going through and I've clicked on the green box that says organize, because of course we want to then start organizing the ones that we've already got. Now you'll see I've already made a couple, Christmas and MCFC, but I'm now creating a new one called birthdays. And because I have that project highlighted, it's automatically saved it into that collection, which is super convenient. I'll go to the top to all my collections again, so I see all my projects in one spot, and I'm clicking on that green organize button. From this view, I can select multiple projects at once. So this time round, I'm going to go through and I'm looking for everything that's birthday related. So I'm highlighting a couple of these projects just to demonstrate how easy it is to select multiple projects in one hit. So I've got the one at the top. A lot of these designs are from Design Studios as well. They're free images and templates you can use if you are a subscriber. So I would definitely encourage you to also consider that. But you can see here, now I've selected 3. It's then asking me which collection do I want it to go into. And if I've already got a collection I want to use, it's so simple to select, or at that stage I can create a new one as well for them to go into. Now going back to the top in all my projects, one of the things that I wondered was, can I have the same project in multiple collections? Because sometimes there's a crossover, isn't there? It might fit well with birthdays, but I also might want to use that project in another one. So just as an example for this one with the balloons, I'm going to select Christmas, and I'm also going to add it to that collection because I was curious to see whether it would move it collection to collection or whether it would retain it. And the good news is it keeps it in both spots. So if you've got something that you want to keep in 2 collections, then that's absolutely great, you're able to do that. So you might have a category of birthday, but you might also have a category of family or friends, that kind of thing, and there's a crossover for the 2. The other thing that I was curious about was whether or not, obviously when I'm going through my historic projects, I might forget if I've already categorized it or not. I don't know if I've already put it in a collection. So I did wonder whether or not it would duplicate that project in the collection. But as you can see here, it just keeps that one. It knows it's already in. It doesn't put it in twice. So that's really going to help stop our collections from getting cluttered with too many. Now, of course, as you go in and organising through your projects, you might find projects you no longer need. I clicked on those 3 dots and it gives you an option with the trash can to delete that project. That is a super quick run through of collections. If you've got any comments or queries, please put them in the box below. I will answer all of them. I'm going to get busy now organising the rest of these or deleting the ones I no longer need. I hope you have fun organising yours. I'm sure it's going to make a world of difference when we're looking and searching for projects going forward. If you've not seen my other video yet regarding the new offset function, I'd love you to check that out. But otherwise, have a great crafting weekend.